Texas Instruments TI-Nspire CX2 Color Graphing Calculator Teacher Kit provides a comprehensive solution for modern STEM classrooms. This 10-pack bundle features the latest CX2 handhelds, which offer faster performance and a refreshed interface compared to previous generations. Each unit includes a high-resolution 320 by 240 pixel backlit color display for clear visualization of complex mathematical concepts. The slim design and integrated touchpad navigation emulate a computer-like experience for students. These calculators perform advanced calculations across various applications, including function, parametric, polar, and 3D graphing. Students can explore symbolic expressions and visualize multiple representations of a single problem on a single screen. The built-in Python programming environment allows for the integration of coding into math and science lessons. Each handheld comes with a rechargeable battery that provides weeks of use on a single charge. The teacher kit is designed for easy classroom management and includes a TI-Nspire CX docking station. This station can charge up to 10 handhelds simultaneously and simplifies the process of updating operating systems. The kit also provides 10 unit-to-computer USB cables and 5 unit-to-unit cables for versatile data transfer. Educators receive a 1-year subscription to the TI-Nspire CX Premium Teacher software to facilitate classroom demonstrations. The Easy Spot yellow back and school property branding on each unit help prevent theft and ensure calculators stay within the classroom. This bundle supports data collection via the TI-Nspire Lab Cradle and various vernier sensors. These calculators are permitted on major standardized exams, including the SAT, ACT, and AP tests. This complete package ensures that every student has access to the most advanced graphing technology available for secondary and post-secondary education.